Every day, your body is exposed to millions of bacteria, viruses, and harmful particles. You touch surfaces, breathe in air, eat food, and with all of that comes potential threats. Yet most of the time, you don't get sick. That's because your body has a powerful defense system working silently every second. This system is called the immune system, and it is your body's protection against disease. So how does the immune system actually work? The immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against harmful invaders. Its main job is to recognize anything that doesn't belong, such as bacteria, viruses, or toxins, and eliminate it before it can cause damage. The first line of defense is the body's physical barriers. Your skin acts as a protective shield, preventing microbes from entering. Inside your body, mucus in the nose and throat traps harmful particles, while stomach acid destroys many of them before they can spread. If pathogens manage to bypass these barriers, the body activates the innate immune system, which provides a fast and general response. White blood cells quickly identify and attack anything unfamiliar. These cells do not need prior experience. They respond immediately to threats. The second level of defense is the adaptive immune system, which is more specific and powerful. This system learns to recognize particular pathogens and creates targeted responses. It produces antibodies, which are proteins designed to identify and neutralize specific invaders. One of the most important features of this system is memory. Once the immune system encounters a pathogen, it remembers it. This is why you often don't get the same infection twice, and it is also how vaccines work. The immune system also involves organs such as the bone marrow, where immune cells are produced, and the lymph nodes, which help filter harmful substances and activate immune responses. The understanding of the immune system has developed over time, with major contributions from scientists like Edward Jenner, who pioneered vaccination, and Louis Pasteur, who helped establish the germ theory of disease. Their discoveries revolutionized medicine and saved millions of lives. However, the immune system must remain balanced. If it becomes too weak, the body becomes vulnerable to infections. If it becomes overactive, it can attack the body's own tissues, leading to autoimmune diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. In some cases, an excessive immune response can cause severe inflammation, damaging organs. Today, modern technology is advancing our understanding of immunity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to analyze immune responses, develop better vaccines, and predict how the body will react to infections. These tools are helping scientists design more effective treatments and improve global health care. The immune system is your body's defense force, protecting you every moment without you even noticing. Understanding how it works helps us appreciate the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle and supporting the body's natural ability to fight disease.